Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson application of percentage. Today we will discuss the worksheet 1, question number 1. A property dealer charges 2% commission from a buyer or a seller of property. If Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as a commission for the purchasing the flat, what was the value of the flat? Means we don't know the value of the flat. The property dealer charges 2% commission from the buyer, and Mr. Ramlal, he bought the flat and he paid 20% commission. So what is the value of the flat? समझ में आया? तो मिस्टर रामलाल एक प्रॉपर्टी डीलर से एक फ्लैट खरीदा, लेकिन फ्लैट का वैल्यू मालूम नहीं है. द प्रॉपर्टी डीलर हमेशा 2% ऑफ द कमीशन, ठीक है, 2% कमीशन लेता है, लेकिन मिस्टर रामलाल उसको ₹20,000 कमीशन दिया है. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करने का है फ्लैट का वैल्यू. सो जब फ्लैट का वैल्यू टोटल वैल्यू नहीं दिया जाता है, ऑलवेज यूल राइट लेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्लैट बी ₹X. Okay. Now percentage of commission. Percentage of कमीशन कितना बोले हैं? परसेंटेज ऑफ कमीशन इज 2% ऑफ द टोटल वैल्यू. नाउ परसेंटेज अमाउंट ऑल्सो इज गिवन. परसेंटेज अमाउंट, सॉरी, कमीशन amount, how much is paid? It is ₹20,000. So that means 2% of the total value is equal to 20,000. Understood? So 2/100 into X is equal to 20,000. So X is equal to 20,000 into 100 upon 2. It will be 2 ones and it is 10,000. That means how much it will be? It is 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the value of the flat? It is 10 lakh. Answer: value of the flat was ₹10,000. Hope all students understood this sum. Now coming to the second. A 3-star hotel in Delhi charges 10% sales tax on the price of the food. Food taken. Mr. Saxena and his family had food for ₹685. Find the total he had to pay. What is the meaning? It is the amount, the cost of the food, it was ₹685, but the hotel charges 10% sales tax. So total money paid, how much is it? फूड का कॉस्ट है 685, सेल्स टैक्स 10% है, फिर टोटल कितना पैसा उसको भरने का है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ द फूड How much was it? Rupees 685. Now sales tax कितना दिया है? 10%. अभी सेल्स अमाउंट, सेल्स टैक्स का अमाउंट कितना है ये परसेंटेज में है. सो टैक्स कितना पैसे अमाउंट में, सेल्स टैक्स अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करो. कैसे? 10% ऑफ ₹685. कॉस्ट ऑफ द फूड के ऊपर कितना, 10% है तो कितना पैसा. सो 10/100 into 685, 0 cut. So it is not divisible completely. So exactly it is not divisible. That is why write it like this. Okay. Rupees 10 means 1 decimal 685. राइट साइड से 1 डेसिमल है ना, एक प्लेस छोड़ के. लेकिन जब भी ये रुपीस पैसे रहता है तभी 68 रुपीस 50 पैसे एक्स्ट्रा A0 डालने का है. अभी ये सेल्स टैक्स का अमाउंट को हमें फूड के कॉस्ट को ऐड करने का है. सो टोटल मनी पेड इज इक्वल टू, पहला कितना था 685 प्लस 68.50, दोनों को ऐड करो. आंसर इज 50 पैसे. 8 plus 5 is 13, 1, 9, 10, 15, 1, 7. So मिस्टर सक्सेना कितना पैसा होटल को देगा. सो टोटल मनी पेड बाय मिस्टर सक्सेना was ₹753.50, means 753 रुपीस एंड 50 पैसे. जब भी सेल्स टैक्स दिया जाता है और परसेंट में दिया है तो अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करो और वैल्यू ऑफ द आर्टिकल या कॉस्ट ऑफ द फूड उसको ऐड करने का है. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A painter paints 240 square feet of the wall. If this is 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square foot? So here also you know it is the total area of the wall is not given. The area what is painted is given, isn't it? And it is 48% of the total wall surface. ऐसे दिया है. So first write, let the total area of the wall is equal to x square feet. Now percentage of wall painted. How much percent is given? 48%. Area in square foot. Area of the wall painted. स्क्वायर फीट में कितना दिया है? 240 स्क्वायर फीट. Therefore 48% of the total area, 48% of x is equal to 250. That means 48 upon 100 into x is equal to 240. So x is equal to 240 into 100 upon 48. Now by looking at the numbers, 28 2s are 48. So 1s are 24, 1s are 24 and this 0, 24 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. That means x is equal to 500. Answer: total area of the wall is 500 square feet. Is it okay? Coming to the fourth sum, the salary of a person was increased by 15%. If his salary now is Rs 9,936, what was his initial salary? Means we don't know the initial salary, that is the original salary. It is increased by 15%, but now it is 9,936. पहले कितना था मालूम नहीं है, 15% इंक्रीज किया है, अब भी उसको 9,936 सैलरी मिलता है. सो जब भी इनिशियल मालूम नहीं है तो लिखो लेट द इनिशियल सैलरी is equal to rupees x. How much is increased? Percentage of increase in salary. कितना परसेंट? 15%. तो कितना मनी इंक्रीज हुआ? सो इंक्रीज्ड सैलरी that is 15% of x, isn't it? 15% of the original salary, उसके ऊपर 15% उसको इंक्रीमेंट मिला. सो फाइंड आउट. बट सैलरी नाउ, salary he gets now, that is the present salary is rupees 9,936. therefore it is original कितना था? x plus 15% of increased salary is 15% of x. तो अब भी कितना है? 9,936. होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस स्टेप. पहला उसका सैलरी x था, 15% ऑफ x ज्यादा हुआ, इसके लिए ऐड करो, अब भी उसको इतना अमाउंट मिलता है. नाउ फाइंड आउट x प्लस 15%, 15 upon 100 into x is equal to 9,936. अभी ये 5 3s 5 20s, आपको अभी मिला x plus 3x upon 20 is equal to 9,936. अभी इधर डिनोमिनेटर 1 रहेगा तो दिस बिकम्स LCM इज 20. 1 हाउ मच जा 20? 20 जा 20 into x, 20x. Here the denominator is 20, the LCM is 20, so it remains the same. 21 जा 1 into 3x, 3x. 9,936. Now 20x 20x plus 3x. It is 23x upon 20 is equal to 9936. Okay. Now x is equal to 9936. This 20, take it to the numerator, 23, bring it to the denominator. Now 23 is a prime number, so directly divide 23, 9936 by 23. So 23, 9936. So you can write 4 times, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 9. So it will be 9 minus 2, 7. Bring this 3 down. It is 23, 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Here 6 minus 6, 0. Bring this 6 down. It will be 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So you got, this is the rough work. It is 400. 23 ones are 23, 4 3 2. Now multiply. It is 2 1 0. You put 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It is 8640. Hope you understood the calculation. Now answer. The initial salary. The initial salary was rupees 8,640. The salary, initial salary you don't know, let it be X. Percentage of increase is 15%. So increased salary means the present salary will be how much? 9936. Increased salary will be 15% of the initial salary, that is 15% of X. तो अभी के सैलरी कितना रहेगा? इनिशियल सैलरी दैट इज X प्लस 15% ज़्यादा हो गया, सो ऐड करो, प्लस 15% ऑफ X इज इक्वल टू 9936. सो X प्लस 15% ऑफ X कैसे लिखते हैं? 15/100 इंटू X. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. तो आपको इधर मिला X प्लस 3 इंटू X अपॉन 20 इज इक्वल टू 9936. अभी इधर डिनोमिनेटर 1 है तो एलसीएम आएगा 20. 1 हाउ मच ज़ा 20? 20 ज़ा 20 into X, that is 20x, plus here it is 20, so 20 how much ज़ा 20? 1 ज़ा 1 into 3x is 3x. So you got 20x plus 3x, that is 23x upon 20 is equal to 9936. So because 23 is a prime number, just directly divide and see it is 432 and multiply by 20. So you got 8640. Is it okay? This part you have to be careful how to take the LCM. It is X plus 15% of X is equal to 9936. You have to remember. Hope all students understood all the first 4 sums of worksheet 1. Bye. Thank you.